So in this recording, I'm going to show you how to factor a quadratic equation, like x squared minus 7x minus 18. So first thing we want to do is set up our diamond, and we're going to multiply our first ax squared term times our c term, negative 18. And when we multiply that, we get negative 18x squared. That's going to go in the top of our diamond. And then in the bottom of our diamond, we're going to put our middle term, negative 7x. So what we want to figure out is what multiplies to negative 18x squared, but its factors add up to negative 7x. So I'm going to start listing out factors of negative 18. I have 1 and 18, 2 and 9, and if I think about it, one of these has to be positive and one has to be negative. Well, I know that if I multiply 2 times 9, that gives me 18. 2 times negative 9 gives me negative 18. 2 plus negative 9 gives me negative 7, which is what I'm looking for. So one of these will be 2x, and the other one will be negative 9x. Now that brings me over to my generic rectangle. That's going to help me figure out what are the factors of my quadratic equation, x squared minus 7x minus 18. So in this bottom left, I'm going to put x squared. Diagonal from that, I'm going to put negative 18. And in either of these two squares, I'm going to put 2x and negative 9x. So I'll put 2x here, negative 9x here. And then down below here, and along the side here, I'm going to factor out my greatest common factor. So I'll start with 2x and x squared. My greatest common factor with 2x and x squared is x. I'll go to negative 18 and negative 9. My greatest common factor there is negative 9. Then x squared and negative 9x. My greatest common factor is x. And 2x and negative 18, my greatest common factor is 2. Now, these sides that I have along the outside become my factors. Before I write these, though, I just want to check and make sure that x squared, x times x equals x squared, which it does. X times 2 equals 2x, which it does. X times negative 9 equals 9x, which it does. And 2 times negative 9 equals negative 18. So I'm good there. Then I'm going to take these outside values that I came up with, and they become my factors, x plus 2 times x minus 9.